Hello, this is my project, a smart plant watering system with Arduino UNO. Right, so I would like to give a short demonstration how the system works. This is the project that I have chosen to complete the course Rapid Prototyping for Experiments. So the goal of this project is to build a smart plant watering system that uses current soil moisture levels to automatically water this plant. Right, so the soil's moisture content is determined by the system using a soil moisture sensor here. The mechanism turns on a water pump to irrigate the plant if the soil is dry, and also shows real-time information on LCD here. Currently, I have that the pump is off and the soil moisture is high, so the pump turns off. So what do I have here? So I have this the plant, the soil moisture sensor. This is a push button in order to control manually control the pump in case of water overflow if need be. And here's the pump and the water container. Okay, and this is the Arduino UNO board, and I have the breadboard here. And this is the relay module. This is a relay module to control the pump, which is connected to the battery here. And I have this LCD to display the state of the moisture levels. Okay, so let's give it a try. So if I remove the sensor, we expect that the pump will start running, meaning that the soil moisture is low, and the system will kick on the pump until the moment we turn it off, or the sensor senses that the soil moisture is high enough and turns the system off. So I'm removing this. Okay, we see that the pump is running and the LCD displays here water pump is on, moisture sensor is low. If I insert back the soil sensor, the system turns off. Okay, all right, so this is a short demonstration. I hope this gives an overview how this system works. It works, and there will be a short report regarding this, and I hope it will explain the connections and more detail how this project was prepared. Okay, that will be all. Thank you very much, and bye bye.